Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and I do have our June sew sampler to share with you guys. But first, I just wanted to kind of talk a little bit about my personal life, which I don't really do very often. I just got back from Connecticut. Some of you do know that my daughter had soccer regionals for the last 5 days. We were up in Connecticut since last Wednesday. Her team won, which is like insane. We went there definitely thinking there's no way. I mean, if they win one game, that would be amazing. Two would be even better. And then before you knew it, we were in the finals yesterday morning at 8 a.m. and it was 1-1. And then we won in PKs, which is exactly how we actually won states as well. So yesterday was a team from Connecticut and everybody played so hard. Obviously, we were pretty evenly matched and we took home the title, the championship, which is just phenomenal. But while we were up there, we were actually looking for ice cream the one day. I wasn't looking for quilt shops because I figured this is Aya's time. I'm not going to take up her time with a quilt shop, right? That's for me mostly. But anyway, we found a quilt shop. We parked and like right in front of me, literally was a quilt shop called Cotton Candy Quilts. And so we stopped in for a little bit and then she's like, Mom, I really want ice cream. So we left, and then when we got to the ice cream store, a whole bunch of her teammates and parents showed up as well, which we didn't know. And so then they were like, we'll take Aya for a little bit. Why don't you go enjoy yourself? And so I did for like maybe 30 minutes. I went over to the quilt shop and I shopped and I got a little haul. So I figured I would do just a kind of short video. It's probably gonna be like 5 minutes or less of the shop itself. I did take video. I asked the worker that was working there if I could take video. And then I'll do a quick little haul of just some of the items that I picked up. But they had some really great items. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. Without further ado though, let's get into this box and let's see what Fat Quarter Shop sent us this month. Looks like we are still keeping the 10 years sew sampler box here. We're celebrating 10 years. We celebrated in April, so it looks like we're going to keep this box maybe throughout the year. The theme of this month's box is Making Waves, June 2026. On the back, there's a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm just going to read it off to you. There is a Jolly Tree Farm quilt and stitch along. I did pre-order that kit from Fat Quarter Shop. I'll link it down below as well. Hopefully it's still available for you guys. But it says, join Fat Quarter Shop for our 2026 Christmas mystery quilt, Jolly Tree Farm, a festive quilt and stitch along filled with merry surprises and cozy holiday cheer. This little mystery quilt is stylishly evergreen, and the matching cross stitch makes a merry pairing. Sew with us all through Christmas and July. Okay, so that's right. They also have the pattern in a cross stitch version as well if you are not a quilter. And I love this coupon. So this is special sew sampler savings. Get 25% off of Elizabeth Hartman patterns. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Elizabeth Hartman. There's definitely some patterns of hers that I've wanted in the past that I haven't purchased yet, and I definitely feel like this coupon is going to be perfect for me. There is another quilt idea for us. This is a Fat 8th Flapjacks shortcut quilt. It is free for everybody. You don't have to be a Sew Sampler subscriber. So let me go ahead and show you that QR code now. Okay, and then it talks a little bit about our Sew Sampler Vault quilt, which is a quilt over the last 10 years that they're kind of re-releasing into this Sew Sampler box. So we'll get to that in a little bit. We do have our foldable insert here that tells us our box contents as well as the price of each item. I'll go ahead and total this up and see what we saved at the very end. I did feel like this box was a little bit light when I was picking it up from outside, and I kind of see why now, but there's some really useful items in this box as well. So let's get into it. First, here we have our Schmetz Chrome Quilting Sewing Machine Needles 5 count. These are 90/14, which is perfect. This is actually exactly what I use for my long arm as well as my domestic machine. So these retail for $6.48, and it says sharp, sleek, and ready to dive deep. These Schmetz Chrome quilting needles are designed to glide through layers with ease. Their chrome finish adds extra strength while helping stitches stay crisp, clean, and precise from start to finish. Whether you're piecing together your patchwork pod or quilting these rolling waves, these needles handle every layer smoothly and effortlessly. It's a shining little star in your sewing sea that helps every project come together beautifully. We do have our 50 weight Superior Pima silver cotton thread. All right, let's see. This is number 8010 for those of you that collect this thread. It retails for $12.98, and it says every great wave starts with a strong current, and this thread is ready to carry your stitches right along. The Superior Pima 50 weight cotton thread in silvery white feels perfectly at home among those ocean-inspired blues and shiny brights. Smooth, steady, and reliable, it glides through your machine like a whale cruising open waters. With no snags, no fuss, just beautifully balanced stitches every time. Whether you're piecing your patchwork pod or finishing touches, This subtle staple keeps everything swimming in sync. Okay, so 50 weight is right in between what I use. I use a 60 weight and I use a 40 weight as well. So yeah, I could definitely use this thread. We do have our fabric here. This is Sunset Whale Scenery Fat Eighth Bundle by Elizabeth Hartman. She is now with Moda Fabrics, if you didn't know that she switched fabric companies. This retails for $34.98, and it says Glide into Summer with Scenery by Elizabeth Hartman for Moda Fabrics, where cheerful color and playful prints swim together in harmony. Deep ocean blues mingle with vibrant corals and breezy sea glass greens, creating a collection that feels like sunshine sparkling across the waves. Tiny geometric prints add gentle ripples of texture, making every fabric feel lively and full of movement, whether you're stitching something simple or diving into the Sunset Whales quilt pattern. With this curated set of 12 fat eighths, this collection is ready to make waves. Okay, so let me go ahead through these fabrics. If you don't want to see that, I'll go ahead and put the color card up here as well. I do have our pattern right here. This is called Sunset Whales Quilt Pattern, definitely designed by Elizabeth Hartman, if you couldn't tell. This is a Sew Sampler exclusive. I told you guys before, but you can get these Sew Sampler exclusive items on the Sew Sampler swap on Facebook. I'll link that down below. But this retails for $11.98, and it says drift into a sunset stitched with whales in warm summer skies. The Sunset Whales Quilt Pattern by Elizabeth Hartman features a playful pod of gentle giants swimming across calm waters while cheerful suns peak above the horizon. Bold shapes and clean lines make each whale stand out, while the repeating layout creates a smooth, soothing rhythm. Modern, whimsical, and full of personality, this pattern shows off bright prints in a quilt that's sure to make waves. Okay, so in typical Elizabeth Hartman fashion, your smallest piece is going to be a 1-inch square. Just fair warning, this is a little bit more on the complicated side, as most Elizabeth Hartman quilts are. They're very, what do you call it, like involved, I guess. This has several pages, a lot more than the typical fat quarter shop pattern has. So let's see, this quilt finishes at 42.5 by 42.5. So if you've got a baby coming up in your family, your friends, you could do a little baby quilt here. That would be so cute. You could definitely switch up the colors to make it more girl themed if you wanted. And then here is the fabric requirements here on the back. I'll go ahead and put the kits down below as well if they still have those available on Fat Quarter Shop's website. Can never have too many needle minders. This is the Elizabeth Hartman Casserole Enamel Needle Minder by Elizabeth Hartman for Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler exclusive as well. Okay, so you cannot get this on the website. This is only in the Sew Sampler box. It does retail for $11.98, and it says fuel up with a cozy casserole, then settle in to make waves. This charming enamel needle minder by Elizabeth Hartman brings a warm, homey touch to your sewing space while keeping your needle right where you need it. Featuring her iconic casserole quilt block, this trusty little helper stays put while you stitch away. Equal parts practical and playful, this Sew Sampler exclusive proves that even the smallest notions can make a splash. Okay, magnetic. Finally, we have our vault pattern here. This is Acorn Caps. It was originally published in November 2019, so I definitely have this one somewhere hanging out. We're celebrating all year long with Sew Sampler Vault patterns. For the first time ever, we are bringing out 12 of the most popular quilt patterns from the Sew Sampler Vault. We will include one Sew Sampler Vault printed pattern in each month's box as a special bonus for our members. We hope that you will inspire your quilting journey for years to come. And this does retail for $11.98. Here are the fabric requirements for this one. There definitely won't be any kits because it's from 2019. And then finally, we do have our spooled quilt along. This is block number 3, and it says settle in for a year of sewing with the spooled quilt along, where classic blocks unwind 1 month at a time. Each new section builds on the last, creating a quilt that grows steadily with every stitch. If you missed one, all spooled block patterns will be available at the Fat Quarter Shop, and limited kits are available. Retails for $4.98. Here are the requirements for this one. And I said in my last video, I believe that these blocks are going to be in the middle of basically a spool, right? So 12 spools on a quilt. And this one is the red velvet cake block. Including that vault pattern, our total came to $95.36. I believe the box is now retailing for $34.95, if I remember correctly. Fat Quarter Shop does provide this box to me now. So let me do that quick math and I'll be right back with you. So that is a total savings of $60.41. Definitely one of our best boxes yet, I believe, even though it was a very light box. I think it contained a lot of items. I think my favorite items this month were the fabric and the pattern by Elizabeth Hartman. I really love everything that she does. So I'm excited about that. Let me know what you guys thought down below of this box, and stay tuned for that quick quilt shop video. I'm going to be posting it here within the next couple of days. And I hope that you have a wonderful week. Bye, everybody.